Arutwo 247 matigukorwo makiamukira maumirira ma kigeranio gya KCSE thutha wa maumirira mao gukanjwo magikuruhanio na Wuici wa kigeranio, na kuringana na minista wa githomo Professor George Magoha augite Wuici uyu niucokete na thii ukiringithanio na mwaka wa 2019
where we had enough proof that they were very cheeky, having been told, and you can see out of the 287, 211 of them had unauthorized materials.
Ona thengia ya Wuici wa kigeranio giki gya KCSE kwirikana niucokete na thii, njira iria irahuthikaga kuiya kigeranio giki ikionekana iri ngurani na njira cia na hau kabere, kuona thimu nicio irahuthikaga kuhura mbica kigeranio giki, kuria thimu 45 inyitikanite na arutwo, na kwa muhiano murutani munene thukuru-ini umwe wa Kitui nierigite guikio ngono thutha wake kwirikana niahurite mbica kigeranio giki na gucoka gwikira mbica icio WhatsApp.
It's very funny. A child takes time to write in the shirt on both sides. So you see them opening and checking inside. You understand? Mobile phones were 45, and you have heard from the CEO, Teacher Service Commission, how cheeky they can be.
Arimu ari othe mekunyitikana ni mateithiriria arutwo kuiya kigeranio giki ni magukorwo magitacukirwo ikinya ria kiwatho, kuria murutani umwe atwirirwo kioho thutha wake kunyitikana teni ateithiririe Wuici-ini wa kigeranio giki.
And let me re-emphasize here, for the avoidance of doubt, that those examination papers are actually security papers. So when you open them, like the teacher who has been jailed, he doesn't know how we caught him. But we shall know once you clicked on the paper and send it to others.
We have also been notified by NEC of a teacher who posed as an examiner and accessed an examination center. He has since been found guilty by court and jailed.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa kamiti ya wandikani wa arimu Nancy Macharia augite ica ikuhi ni matanyite kuruguria mutambo wa arutani gukorwo makioyagwo irore iri gukorwo igiteithiriria ati ni marihotaga gukurana Wuici ta wa igeranio na njira ya uhuthu.
We have resolved to devise a waterproof system that will help us to accurately detect, identify and apprehend perpetrators of examinations fraud while protecting innocent teachers whose gadgets may be misused.
Ona gutuika mwaka uyu gutiri thukuru ona imwe ya kanjirwo kigeranio, thukuru 20 cia gukorwo igikanjirwo kigeranio giki. Uthuthuria ungionania nimakuruhanite na Wuici wa kigeranio giki na njira o yothe.
This year we have not cancelled results from any school, but we discussed with him this morning, as we go through forensic activities, we may actually recall results if we find that there was an organized crime. You had CEO, the CEO of Teacher Service Commission saying that the forensic activities are ongoing.
Nancy ni acokirie ngatho arutani undu umwe na andu othe maratigiriire arutwo ni mahota gwika kigeranio giki, guku akendithiria arimu 7 kuona kwa naihenya na aria magire na mutino wa barabara makiuma kumaka kigeranio. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ricora kwani Wanjiru wa Foro.